everyone, and welcome to today's show. Happy 4th of July, the day after. And I'm doing something different today. I've decided to share a video clip of the fireworks that I filmed last night in Nashua. And I I'm going to date myself because I remember when the Riverfest was in town, and and it was a huge event, and it was a wonderful opportunity for families and friends to come together, and the community to come together and meet neighbors that you maybe didn't and friends that you had never met before, and it was really a nice sense of a community, and it was packed. It was long lines. There were a lot of vendors, and they had some wonderful concerts. And and over the years, I don't remember what year it ended, but I now they have the 4th of July, and in the past in Manchester, they would hire a radio station, and they play the beautiful music, and they have it in sync with the display, and it was a huge turnout, and and it's evolved over the years, and now they have the Army National Guard band playing, and so I called a friend of mine, and we went on Sunday night to film the event, and I can be quite honestly, I was very disappointed. It was not like it used to be, and the singers are singing a lot of jazz music, which I really don't care for. I would have loved to have it been more patriotic songs, but that wasn't the case, and there wasn't a big turnout, and there were very few vendors, and I was really kind of disappointed. And the fireworks, I miss the displays they used to have, and very spectacular with music, and so I called the same friend, and I said, let's go try Nashua. Let's go to Nashua because they're having the Spartans Bugle Corps performing, and I thought that would be kind of neat. So we did. We jumped in the car, and we went down last night, and I was very pleasantly surprised and pleased with what I saw. It was a sense of community. It was a lot of young people and families, and there's nice kids that are the teenagers are the staff there, and there's an excitement, and there's a momentum, and there's just this beautiful sense of community with young people and families, and the Bugle Corps kids were just in precision, and they did a beautiful job, and very accomplished musicians, and then the fireworks display came on, and they were performing to the beat of the fireworks, and I left there feeling like, wow, this is a really, really great city to live in, and what a beautiful event, and so I thought I would share with you my experience of last night, and it's an edited down version because it was quite lengthy. So I'm going to have them roll the clip now of the fireworks. welcome back. I hope you enjoy the Bugle Corps band and the fireworks. When you're filming these events, unfortunately, you're working, and you don't really have the opportunity to enjoy what you're doing until you go home and put it in the computer and start to do the editing. And it was really, I realized how beautiful it was, the experience to have all these fireworks. And I don't know, I can't speak for those of you out there, but for me personally, there is just so much anger in this country. There's so much hate. There's so much violence. There's the heroin epidemic, and people are overdosing, and people are killing each other in Manchester, and and I've been caught up in a lot of this, and there's all these horrible things going on in the world, but going there last night and Sunday night, it was really wonderful for me because I see the other part of life that people are not really maybe focusing on. And I think it was wonderful. I mean, I'm not saying that all of these youth that were participating in this band didn't have addiction problems or any of that, but it seemed like it's just wholesome. Like I think the kids today just really need to play. Life doesn't have to be so serious. Life doesn't have to be such a struggle. I used to be a really good athlete and played a lot of team sports, but back in my day, we were a pickup game in the neighborhood, and that kind of stuff. And it's I don't know, something just startled me. And a lot of the athletes today, they're so driven. They've got all these practices on 7 days a week and training and working up and out in the with their trainers. And I think the message I'd like to leave you with today is I think today we need to lighten up. And I think the biggest gift we can give our children is to teach them how to play. Teach them how to get along with each other. Teach them how to have fun. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you and goodbye.